The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the most powerful smartphone currently available, charging 50% in 30 minutes using the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU. Samsung claims it is 45% more durable. Is that really the case? Dig a little deeper in today's video. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 First Look. Galaxy's Flip 4 Shocking Appearance 2022. Samsung's smaller foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip, has evolved even further with the release of the 4th generation model. Modifications aren't sweeping, but they seem to have been carefully thought out and concentrated on the phone's most important features. It seems like Samsung has ironed out the kinks with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. The phone's competitiveness with non-folding phones of similar price is ensured by its shrunken screen bezels, larger battery, enhanced cameras, and the most powerful Android phone chip available. Software. Samsung preloaded One UI 4.1 on the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but the device also comes with a plethora of flex mode tricks that take advantage of its hinged nature. You can use your phone as a camcorder by folding it at a 90-degree angle while recording, or you can set it down, walk away, and take a picture or video from a distance with a voice command or a physical gesture. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, it is a bit crooked.
For even more adaptability, you can open or close the phone completely without interrupting a recording. Those who value efficiency over originality will appreciate the new 2-finger upward swipe gesture, which allows them to instantly reveal a second window in the lower half of the screen. More and more popular apps, such as WhatsApp, Google Meet, YouTube, and Netflix, have been optimized by Samsung to provide fully suitable controls when the phone is in flex mode. Instead of the program simply refusing to adjust to the folded display, you will now see a trackpad and some fast settings to give you more flexibility. I went to a flexibility class that teaches you how to go up and down. It's Yoyoba. Battery and charging. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 appears to have improved over the Galaxy Z Flip 3, particularly in terms of battery life. Compared to the Z Flip 3, its battery life has been increased by 3 hours due to its new larger battery with a 3,700 mAh capacity. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 now supports 25 watts charging, which is an increase from the Galaxy Z Flip 3's meager 15 watts. If you have a suitable charging brick on you during the day, Samsung promises that you can get 50% of a charge in 30 minutes, which will help ease the pain of the potentially subpar battery life. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is now the most powerful smartphone, thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU and strong battery. How effective is it? Exactly? Get to know in the next few minutes. With Samsung working so hard to bring cutting-edge innovations to the world, we figured we'd do our part by keeping you abreast of any developments in Samsung's product line. It's best if you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so we can keep inspiring you. This way, you can stay abreast of all the fresh stuff we provide. Cameras. Unlike the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung has not upgraded the Galaxy Z Flip 4's main camera hardware from its predecessor. The Z Flip 4 has two 12-megapixel cameras, which are the main and ultra-wide on the outside, and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera when opened. The reality is that there have been shifts occurring out of sight. For example, when using Samsung's Super Night solution for low-light photography, the main sensor now captures 65% more light, allowing for regular and portrait mode photography, even after the sun is set. The Z Flip 4's artificial intelligence illumination and stabilization features have been upgraded, which should make taking photos and recording videos on the new Flip a marked improvement over its predecessor. When the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is closed, it's also simpler to use the primary cameras for selfies. You now have far more leeway in terms of composition when snapping quick-shot selfies from the cover screen. Performance. The Galaxy Z Flip 4's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset is the most powerful one available in smartphones right now, so if you wanted to take it apart and look inside, you could. It easily outperforms the original Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU from earlier this year, according to benchmarks of other phones employing this silicon. Still, it can't consistently outperform the A15 chip, Apple employs in the iPhone 13 series. There is 8 GB of RAM standard on every Z Flip 4. The basic model also has 128 GB of storage, but you can upgrade it to 256 GB or 512 GB if you're prepared to pay a little extra.
I think that's reasonable.
Speaking of a little extra, how much does it cost to own a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4? Displays. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 retains its previous 6.7-inch 120Hz FHD display as its primary screen, while its bezels have been shrunk to make it more streamlined. Samsung claims it is 45% more durable, so consumers need not worry about accidentally breaking their foldable with a hard tap. Disappointingly, the wrinkle along the middle of the screen is still visible. Despite speculations of hinge and crease advancements before the release of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, it appears that this is something we'll have to deal with on foldable for some time yet. The Z Flip's 1.9-inch outside cover display is also unchanged from the previous year. Still, the screen may be personalized with a photo, video, or GIF background, and then used to respond to messages using text-to-speech and manage smart home devices via SmartThings. Design. The design improvements Samsung made are subtle at first glance. Compared to the Z Flip 3, the Z Flip 4 has flatter sides and a more obvious main camera, and it also stands out from the Galaxy S22 thanks to its single curved camera module. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 4 comes in various colors, just like last year's model. If you're in the mood for something sober, you may go with the graphite choice, but if you're looking for something with a bit more life, you can choose from the blue, pink, gold, or bora purple alternatives. The Galaxy Z Flip 4's frame is again constructed from armor aluminum to protect it from drops and scratches. It has IPX8 water resistance to keep it from being ruined by accidental submersion. Price and availability. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 will go on sale on August 26 from Samsung and other retail shops. The base model of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 costs $999. More storage space is available for an additional cost, with options of either 256 GB or the brand new 512 GB model. We're hopeful that Samsung has fixed the major issues with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and made some useful upgrades to the Z Flip 4 that will appeal to those who use their devices for work and play. However, Samsung will need to update the Z Flip significantly at some point to remain competitive, as its current design has serious limits. What happens when the Z Flip 3 stacks up against the Z Flip 4? Watch our video on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 versus Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. What has changed? Don't rush to buy Z Flip 4 yet. Thank you for watching today's video, and we'll see you in our next.